A shocking video has taken social media by storm, capturing the moment a dog unexpectedly attacked a giant monitor lizard. The massive reptile, desperately trying to climb a tree to escape, became the center of this intense encounter. This unusual scene quickly went viral, leaving viewers stunned and sparking lively discussions online. Komodo dragons, the largest lizards in the world, are renowned for their strategic and powerful hunting techniques. When targeting prey such as goats, these apex predators rely on stealth, speed, and their unique biological adaptations. Komodo dragons often approach their prey quietly, using their keen sense of smell to locate goats. Their forked tongue detects chemical signals in the air, allowing them to track their prey even from a considerable distance. Once within striking range, the Komodo dragon lunges forward with astonishing speed, using its sharp claws and powerful jaws to bite the goat. Its bite is not only strong but also extremely dangerous due to the bacteria and venom in its saliva.